Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, February 20th. Couldn't read my writing for a second. But anyway, hope you guys are having a wonderful week and hope you had a nice Valentine's Day what was that, on Saturday. We had a very nice one, low-key Valentine's Day. My daughter and her boyfriend came over Friday night for dinner. And then on Valentine's Day, we got takeout from like a Middle Eastern restaurant near here. So it was really nice. And my husband gave me an order from Ulta. Well, I picked out a bunch of stuff, and that was my Valentine's present. So yeah, it was good. So I got a few things in this week, not too much. I have some orders coming in that I'll show you next week, but for now I just wanted to show you just a few things, like I said. First are these seeds that I got from Etsy, and I mentioned to you that I ordered some zinnia seeds, and that's what got me thinking about like the seed packets from Scrap Diva Designs, like putting seeds in there, like actual seeds. So these are the two that I got. And they're from an Etsy store called Little Gardens. I'll link them down below. And these are two different kinds of zinnias. There's Queenie Red Lime and Queenie Lime with Blush. And they just look so pretty. I've seen them, for the past few years online. I love zinnias. And I don't think I'll start these inside. I'll probably just put them right in the ground when it's time. But yeah, I thought these were just so gorgeous. So I wanted to share with you these, even though they're not very crafty. But, you can argue that gardening is sort of a craft. All right, so I went to Hobby Lobby to check out their clearance. And my stores don't have everything out or everything on clearance yet. Like, the string beads weren't on clearance, and I don't know, some other things that I've seen you guys haul, but I got some non-clearance things too. I did get the actual tape runner. Last time I showed you, I got the 2 refills by mistake. So I did pick up the runner, and this is removable tape, and it was $3.99, just like the 2-pack of inserts or, refills. So there's that. And then I got this in the Easter section. Hang on, it's stuck on something. Okay, so yeah, I got this. This was $2.49, but it was 40% off. All of Easter is 40% off. And it's just this cute little like MDF kind of, MDF hanging ornament or decoration. And this is just that cute vintage image of a little girl with the lamb, and there's a little bit of glitter on it, not too much. I don't really like glitter on my decorations. This is a nice thick material too. I got another one that I think was a little duck, but I sent it off in a gift, so I can't show it to you already or now, but anyway, I wanted to show you this one. It's super cute. And let's see, I think that was the only thing. No, you know what? I got a couple other things, but those are a gift too. So those were not clearance things. The rest of my finds are clearance. I did get this charm by Charmy. It was reduced from $3.49 to 99 cents, and it's a little treasure chest, and it opens up. So look on the inside. It's got a magnet closure, and it's got little jewels stuck in there. So I thought this would be nice to put on like a beach themed or mermaid themed project. And it's silver too, which is nice, and 99 cents. I probably would have got more, but they only had the one. So I got that. And then I got these oven mitts in the Market Square section, and these were $1.99, so 50% off from the $3.99. And these are really pretty. They look very springy to me. They've got the butterflies on them and flowers and greenery. And yeah, I needed new oven mitts anyway. And this was a really good price, I think. And sometimes it's hard to find the ones that go all the way up, past your wrist. A lot of them are just like the small oven mitts. So I was glad to find those. And then I got these 3 bins. They were also in that like Market Square section, and they were 99 cents. Here's the actual tag. I guess that's it. So this was, again, 50% off. In the gifts, they're like in the gift section, like in the middle of the store and on like the little displays, you know what I mean? Hopefully you know what I'm talking about. But so that's the size of them. I thought they'd be good for die storage or stamps or whatever. So I got the 3 that they had in the aqua. They also had purple on clearance, and I think the pink was there but not on clearance. So anyway, picked those up. And was that it from Hobby Lobby? I think it was. Yeah. So let me just put these in there so to make a little bit of room. But I will go back next week and hopefully they finished marking some things on clearance. Okay, I did go to HomeGoods this week and I got a bunch of springy things. So I got these little party picks. They're Peter Rabbit and they're by Mary Mary. There's 24 and they were $5.99. So I thought that cat is a little scary to me, don't you think? It looks like one of those like Victorian people. Yeah, I'm not crazy about that one. His or her eyes, I guess his eyes are just open way too wide. So, but I like the little ducks and I like the Peter Rabbit, and then there's that rabbit too. So I thought these would be good ephemera for those placemats that I got at HomeGoods too, and I use it for paper. And so anyway, they match that, the Peter Rabbit ones, and it's a cute little package as well. So there's that. And then I got this 3-pack of gift bags, although I used one already. And this is the little hang tag. They're by Fringe, and it's a set of 3. It was $6.99 for the 3, but they come with tags too. And the other one was like this blue color with flowers on it. So just a nice medium size. I love gift packaging. And then I got these. These were on clearance. They're really cute plastic plates. They're on clearance because I think they're Valentine's Day, but you can use these for spring, I think, don't you? They're pale pink with white swans and hearts and bows just all around the edge. So these were $3. I think the original was $5.99, so 50% off, by Rachel Ashwell, and it's a 24 plate. So yeah, I thought these would be great for Easter. My sister and her family are coming for Easter, so I'd like to have disposable plates. And then speaking of disposable plates, I got these because I thought they were so cute. And these are, let's see, they're by OCS Design, 16 plates for $5.99. And it says luncheon plates, but they're big. Like you could use these for dinner too. So they have scallop edges and cute little geese, right? Yeah, some with party hats on, some with bow ties, little lilies of the valley. There's a cute little guy there. So I thought these would be great for Easter too, and they just look so pretty together. So I got those, and then I got 2 sets of towels. I got this one for me, and these are by Lillian August. It's a set of 3, and it was $14.99. Geez, the prices of towels are insane these days. But I really like these. They're very similar, but they have different colors and images. So this one, they're all white, but they have this band of color going across them. And this one is yellow with the yellow bows, and it's got a little like embroidered chick on there. It looks kind of cross-stitched, but it's embroidered. So there's that one. And then there's this blue one that has the goose with the kerchief around her neck, and that's just so cute. These like 80s geese are really coming back in. And then the green one, oh, there it is. It's a bunny holding some bluebells or lilies of the valley. So I thought that was worth it for these towels because they're just really, really pretty. And then I got these for my friend because I'm going to go visit her next weekend. These are, let's see, 2 dish towels, and they're so cute. They're by, what's that brand? Ladine. Set of 2 oversized Turkish cotton towels, and this was $8.99, so that's pretty good for 2 towels. And they have all the different color carrots on the bottom, pink and orange, and just coordinating colors, and this really pretty trim here. And I think they're both the same. Yeah, they're both the same. So I think she'll like this with the like subtle stripe going through it. So I got that. And so the last thing I got from HomeGoods is this matching game. And this was also on clearance. It's called Once Upon a Pair, a literary matching game. Includes 52 book matching cards. So it was $5. I assume it was $10 originally. So it's not really Valentine's Day, I don't think, but maybe it was out with the Valentine stuff. So I thought I could use these little cards of books in some of my like little book projects. And I did open it and use one, so I'll show you what it looks like inside. So it's got these sections with this deck, or these decks of like cards that have books on them, like classic books. And then the other side looks like that. The problem with this is these are really thick. I thought they would be more like playing card kind of, weight, but I did like peel off one of them. Let me show you this. Like this is one, this is the like back of them. They're all the same on the back. And then I took the front layer off to use it in a project. And let me show you that. This is a new KS Craft die I'm going to be showing in my next KS Craft video, but it makes these cute little stacking books. So I just cut this down, the piece that I peeled off, and put it on the front and trimmed it with some mini rickrack and a little flower. I made the book out of like this light blue paper, but then I added some blue vellum from Hobby Lobby on the back cover and the spine. And I used some gold shimmer paper for like the page parts. So I think it looks super cute like that. And yeah, I'll show it in more detail in my KS Craft video. But that's what I thought of when I saw this game. I wish it was more of the like, thinner paper so you could use it for other things. But you can peel it off, like I said. But yeah, it comes with all these different books and everything. So I thought that was super cool. And then this can be taken out and this book can be reused. So, just for storage. And I just love the graphics and everything. One other thing, this was the seed packet that I had misplaced in my last Scrap Diva Designs project share video. This is the Scrap Diva seed packet. And it had fallen into I had a box of stuff next to my craft table and it fell into there and I didn't realize it until I was going through that box. So anyway, this is like the larger size. I don't think those little seed packets will fit in here. The ones that I got from Etsy. Let's see. That's what it looks like open. Yeah, I guess it would. If you just maybe fold that top. So yeah, what a cute way to gift some seeds, right? And that was the other side of that one. Okay, sorry about that. Next I have a die set that I got from actually Walmart.com, and it was a third-party seller. But it's this one from Spellbinders, and it's called Ribbon and Trim from Spellbinders Simple Stories, and it's from the Seichi's Classic Pooh Baby collection. And I think this is a new collection or relatively new. So I had it in my cart on, I think, a Cherry on Top or scrapbook.com. One of those. They ran out. Couldn't find it on either of their sites, and the cheapest I could find was on Walmart.com, and it was a third-party seller, but very highly rated, and the shipping was free. So it just worked out really well. I'll try to remember to link this down below. But this comes with all of these dies here. I love trim dies. I just love them. It's kind of like the purse strap die from scrapbook.com, but it's got a couple little different things. So it has this main ribbon die here with stitch detail and scalloping, and you could put one of these like inserts inside it to change up the color. And then it has like this wavy rickrack die, and then a scallop trim die too with little dots that emboss in there. And I love the stitch detailing that goes through this smaller ribbon die, and this one has them on the edges. So yeah, I love this, and I did use this in a video I just showed. One second. All right, I remembered I used it in a card for my sister that I sent off already, but I pre-recorded a little video for it, and that'll be in my KS Craft video because it's it's based on a KS Craft project. So anyway, I will show you that in my next KS Craft video, which will probably be out tomorrow. So anyway, I got this. And then from the Greetery, I got a couple things. And I was watching Marilyn G. Hi, Marilyn. I'm not sure if you're watching, but I I told her I was going to have to order that because she got these like beautiful dies from the Greetery, or it's embossing folders and dies from the Greetery. So I got a couple of them, and this was the first one I saw, and this is called the Shortbread Shapes Rectangle Hearts. So it embosses this beautiful like pan of shortbread cookies, if you could see that there. See all those pretty hearts? Oh, just gorgeous. And I love cookie projects, shortbread, gingerbread, all the breads. So I got that, and then I got the die to go with it. So I can't wait to make this. And of course I will show you when I do. And you can get embossing folders to go with this. This isn't the only one. So I got the other one as well. And this one is called the Holiday Rectangle. So you could use this with that die. And this one comes with holly leaves and different, like, I don't know, I guess lilies. There's mistletoe there. So just different like holiday botanicals. So I thought that was so cute too. Those are the only two I saw. I don't think there were any more. Maybe they'll come out with more. So this was released October. This was January. And they have another set too that's like a round version, and it has like pie-shaped wedges embossed into it. So I'll get that next time. And this one was on clearance. This is called the, let's see, what's the name of this? Catching Snowflakes. Okay, so this is a stamp set. And the snowflakes are fine. I'm not like nuts about this one here. It doesn't really look like a snowflake to me. These I think are really cute. Those are more like regular snowflakes. But I really liked how these sayings were curved, and I love the font too. So there's happiness is catching snowflakes, sending warm thoughts on cold days. Thank you so much. We are like snowflakes, all different in our own beautiful way. Warmest winter wishes just for you, and dreaming of a white Christmas. So I figured I could use that with any other kind of round image or stamp that I have. So I just love those sentiments. And these snowflakes were bonuses. This one is, you know, I don't love it, but maybe it'll look better once it's stamped out. So I will link these products down below in the description box. Okay, so that is it for my haul this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think, what you guys are up to. What are you doing this weekend? I am, let's see, what am I doing this weekend? Working on some stuff around the house. I've been kind of cleaning my craft room, so I'm hoping to have a craft room tour soonish, not in the very near future, but getting there. But of course I will let you know when I do. And I'll be getting ready. I'll be getting the house ready to decorate for Easter. Looking forward to that. And that's about it. So yeah, I've got hauls, or yeah, in my next week's haul, I'll have orders from A Cherry on Top and scrapbook.com for you. I was waiting for some things to come in, and they did. So I hopped on those orders. So they should be here this week, and I'll show you next week. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. My Kaz Craft video will be out soon, and after that will be Scrap Diva. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a great day, have a great weekend, and I love you. Bye.